Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Workfront for enterprise marketing projects, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the official Workfront website. Locate the sign up or start free trial button on the homepage. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your personal information, including first name, last name, and email address. Create a strong password that meets the security criteria provided. Select your company's size and industry from the drop-down menus. Provide any additional requested details about your organization. Once completed, review the information for accuracy. Click on the Submit button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a confirmation message from Workfront. If the email is not in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. You will be redirected to the Workfront setup page. Choose your preferred plan based on your team's needs. Review the features included in each plan. Enter your payment information securely. Confirm your subscription and click on the Complete Purchase button. After confirming, you will receive a receipt via email. Log into your new Workfront account using your registered email and password. Follow the setup prompts to customize your workspace. Invite team members by entering their email addresses in the Collaboration section. Once added, team members will receive invitations to join. Use the onboarding resources to get familiar with the platform. Start creating and managing your enterprise marketing projects in Workfront. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.